I'll be trying Amadore Farcitino. I probably screwed up that pronunciation. These came to me from my friends in Canada. But they're from Italy. Individually packed. Sure don't look like the picture, do they? Off here, you see the picture of them, and you see one here. Not exactly like the picture, is it? So, mini bar cakes with cocoa filling. Yeah, smells like it. So it looks like a chocolate layer cake, and then another layer down here in between. Looks like just regular white cake. Let's see if we can get to the filling. Doesn't even go out to the edge. Okay. Kind of dry. And like I said before in other ones, their snack cakes are not as soft and tender as ours. Let me see if I can get to just the filling. Good. Here we go. Got the filling in the middle. Really not that great of a cocoa taste. Well, I'm definitely going to need some milk to get these down. So, at best, they're meh. I really don't care for them.